How to delete wallpaper on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can delete wallpaper on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, deleting a wallpaper depends on from where you want to delete. If you just want to delete a wallpaper you have downloaded from the Photos app, you can select a certain wallpaper over here and then you can just go ahead and then delete it. Now, if you want to add a wallpaper that is saved in the preset template from your lock screen or from your, let's say, notifications panel, empty out all the notifications first, then long press like this. And here you can see other preset wallpapers. If you want to delete either of this, you simply need to go ahead and then swipe up like this. Then you'll find the delete icon to delete that wallpaper. So swipe up, delete to delete that wallpaper, swipe up, delete, and delete that wallpaper just like that. So this is the way to delete your wallpaper. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.